Hello and thank you for watching today's educational video. In today's video we'll be explaining the difference between an LC lift chair and a PLR lift chair by Pride Mobility. The LC lift chairs, which are shown here, have three positions available to use: the seated, the recline, and the lifted position. The three-position lift chairs start with model LC, and they are made by Pride Mobility, among other trusted manufacturers of lift chairs. The remote control has a simple up and down button, and many of them have a USB charging port on the front of the remote. Most of the LC lift chairs provided by Pride Mobility have several different size options, each with different weight capacities, user height ranges, and other specifications, as well as different fabric choices and colors to choose from. All of this information is available on our website, mobilityscootersdirect.com, as well as information about the PLR lift chairs, which have many more positions to choose from, including the lifted position, the seated position, the reclined position, and many other custom positions that you can control using the various adjustment buttons on the remote control, including the headrest adjustment buttons, the lumbar adjustment buttons, the up and down lifting buttons, the backrest buttons, and the leg rest buttons, which we will demonstrate for you now. First, using the top of the remote towards the right hand side, you can use the headrest button to articulate the headrest forward and backwards as long as the model you choose has the headrest motor adjustment feature. You can also choose to buy a lift chair with lumbar adjustment, and that will firmen up the lumbar support cushion or loosen it up to make it softer. It's hard to see in this video, but the lumbar support is actually decompressing right now, and it will firmen back up using the other button. This chair also has the ability to independently control the backrest by using the buttons that are labeled backrest, and then you can also independently articulate the leg rests by using the leg rest control buttons on the bottom of the remote control. The PLR lift chairs also come with a USB charging port just like the LC lift chairs, but again the main difference is that they have many buttons on the remote control to control the various different motors, including the headrest, lumbar support, leg rest, independently, giving you many more options for comfort. Some of the PLR lift chairs even include retractable cup holders in the armrests, as you can see, and one model in particular, available in-store only, has a wireless phone charging dock, which allows you to place your cell phone in the dock and it will charge itself wirelessly. There are many different fabric choices and colors available for the PLR lift chairs, as well as size options just like the LC lift chairs, which you can see on our website, mobilityscootersdirect.com. If you have any questions, feel free to call us or visit our website. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to give this video a like or a thumbs up, or subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to get notified when new videos like this one are released. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.